Hello there, guys. We got a new mower. I got another Cub Cadet. It's a monster. The front is like right up to my waist. Don't worry, guys, I cleaned it up for you guys. I already went mudding with it this morning. I don't know what time it is. It's probably 11:30, somewhere around there right now. It's a nice day. Yesterday was even nicer. It was sunny out. Got a lot done. Yeah, this lawnmower here, tractor, as you could probably say, because this thing's huge. Cleaned it up a little bit for you guys. This is a problem with this hood. Plus, we're kind of parked on an incline, but we'll be all right. I'm just letting it dry out before I pull it in my shop. I need to build an intake for it. Exhaust, it has leaks, so it'll shoot flames and fire out at night. I'll have to see if I can get a couple of them tonight, sometime this week. Daily videos will be coming at the same normal time at like 11, 10, somewhere around there. Yeah, so stick around. I have an Ultra battery, and it came with a battery. Came with a Fleet Farm battery. Just a normal little lawnmower battery. I'm gonna try to save, put it on my smart charger, but it's from 11. Nice. So last time it was ran was about like 5 years ago. It's no biggie. Thing. What I had to do to it was drain the gas, put new gas in, clean the float bowl. I just left the carburetor on, dropped the float bowl, cleaned it up. I just cleaned my points, checked the oil, and the fluid for the hydro, it's hydrostatic. It's just like my other one, except for this is a 129 and that's a 105. And this one's not a full cast iron frame. It needs a new linkage right here because it's pretty wallered out for some reason. Spark plug wire is all good. I would like to buy a new spark plug because that thing's probably over 5 years old. Fuel lines, they'll probably stay. The gas, I never shut off. It starts right up, no problem. Starter generator is in good condition. They paint over these, so I don't know the serial numbers. I just gotta take a brush. I got a brass brush, or you could, I don't know, copper. You can just get the part numbers, and yeah, I clean that up. I have an extra one of those. I got painted. I'll put that on. It's got a crack in it, but I can weld that up or drill a hole at the end and just leave it. I put a custom light in down here because this tractor didn't come with lights. Oh, wiring or something's a little messed up in between somewhere in here. Oh, that's why. Yes, believe me, the light does work. Just an LED pod. I'll have to fix that. No biggie. I don't have the correct connectors for it. I don't have just the connectors that clip onto it, so once I get two of those, it'll be fine. These wires, yes, I know they're bare, but they're just a ground, so that's extra ground for me. I can show you guys the little Haggard light switch thing I just did. I just went to the positive terminal, ran a wire course. You just cut this wire in half that goes to the positive side, right in half. Get yourself a little switch, and you just splice in between the hot. No worries about the ground. It's only kill switches when you worry about a ground. The ground is just up here on, you got plenty of bolts to choose from. One of my hoods messed up always. Needs new stuff in it because it rattles really bad. But runs, drives perfectly fine. We can hop on it. Yeah, I just got to rig up a air cleaner. Went mudding with it already, got stuck. But this thing does like 10 miles an hour. This thing's crazy. Probably no choke, but by the way, guys, it's way down here. 5 years of sitting, just cleaning the full bowl and putting fresh gas in, and idles like that. That's crazy, isn't it? But it came with a snowblower too. Let's see if I can get to it. I just covered it up not too long ago. It's supposed to rain. But there it is. I'll get a better little thing there. But for these hydros, all you gotta do is push this in. Oh, epic fail. It'll just put it in the neutral, but the neutral, it still rolls. So I just gotta put it like right about there. And it won't roll. It runs beautifully. Crank her up a little here for you. Yeah, it runs beautiful. Runs way better than that one ever did. That one barely even ran. But it's a nice lawnmower. Someone painted it, as you can tell, the rims. I cleaned it up for you guys. I have an extra tire under there. It's this one. Somewhere under there, it's about to pop, so yeah. But it runs beautifully. Oh, that's how the snowblower goes on. Mower and raise it. Runs absolutely great. Couldn't be any happier about this thing. For free. I couldn't pass this up, you know. Runs, drives. Everything works. Choke. I don't know how it stayed running like that, but whatevs. Let's take her back up to my shop. that's it. Again. I got you in my video. Mud mower's coming along great. Yeah, look at it. Okay, that's why I bought it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.